Ayan mga kaibigan, it's raining. Raining with... Ayan. Umuulan po ng yelo. Umuulan po ng yelo dito sa Morocco ngayon. Ayan. Ayan po. Ayan. Umuulan po ng yelo. Yan. Yan. Ang daming yelo. Mga kaibigan, umuulan ng yelo. Ayan mga kaibigan, umuulan siya ng yelo. Ayan. 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 Ayan, umuulan siya ng yelo, mga kaibigan. Oh. First time kong na-cuts ang yelo ngayon dito na umuulan. Ayan. Yan po siya. Ayan. Umuulan siya ng yelo. Yan. First time I saw here in my 12 years. This is the second time I coach the ice to take a video. Before I saw it, but I didn't take a video. But this time, it stinks. Oh my goodness. You see? Oh! There's a lot of ice. Huh? You see? Oh God. You see? You see there? It's a lot. See? There's a lot of ice. See? It's raining. It's a lot of ice in the garden. Oh, you see? Oh my. Oh my. It's a lot of ice in the garden. A lot of ice. It's big. Let me see. Oh, it's hard. You see? It's very hard. It's very hard. Oh, it seems like it's very hard. You see, it's like naphthalene. You know the naphthalene? It seems like a ball. You see? Oh my goodness. I'm happy to see this today. that I see the ice here. Hi. I'm so excited that this time I see the ice. It's raining with ice this day. It's November 25 at it's 5 a.m. in the afternoon here in Morocco. So this is the first time I catch the ice with bijou. It's a lot. Oh, it's too much ice here. Here. Oh. Oh. Yes. I'm so happy today that I see a lot of ice in our garden. It's hard, you know. It's very hard. The ice is very hard. Oh, it's literally, but it's easily melted. You see? This is now it's melted. Easily melted. But if you will touch, it's very hard. But it's easily melted. Now, you see? Within 2 minutes, it's getting melted. You see there? Now it's finished. It's melted now. Before, the first time you see, it's a lot, but now it's almost finished. It's also almost melted, you see. It's finished now. It's hard but easily melted. Okay? You see, guys, this is what's happening here in Morocco, November 25, rain of ice. Now you see, it's no more, finish. The ice, it's melted now. It's just in 2 minutes, everything finished. You see, it's no more, finished. Oh my goodness. Oh, you see, it's no more. It's nothing, no more ice. In 2 minutes, 1 minute, everything finished. Okay. It's only sharing what's happening here in Morocco. Bye. See you there.